from Ephraim that I'm supposed to be here. So I told him that I don't move around. I have my counterpart from Rwanda. So welcome with me, the President of the Republic of Rwanda, His Excellency Paul Kagame. You know, this is what we call vision. This year has been a year of success, not only from the opposition, but also from the Indian government. This wedding reminds me of my wedding anniversary with my sweetheart, Honorable Kataha. That's what, when my friend Ephraim told me, I told him, my friends are going to be here, the Kwagarana group. Where are they? Kwagarana? I welcome traders from Nabgawo. I welcome my traders from Chikubo. Once they are here, I know very well that there is vision. I welcome the Vice President. Rwanda and Uganda, two inseparable countries. That's why when I came to Ephraim, I came with the Rwandan President. He's Kabuta. I'm the one called Kabuta. He's called Kagame. So we have what we call Retake. We have Kwagarana. We have Kiwanuka. We also have the opposition, Kiza. Although that one doesn't have vision. I'm supposed to go back to Southern Sudan because my Vice President is here. So we wish you well. Thank you very much. Oh, you have something?
I want to wish everyone here enjoy this. I thank Mr. Ephraim for being a person of dignity. Mungagaciro, numwese murahangaha. Mukabere mugwe. Kwagarana group. Iterambere ryabo, iterambere ry'igihugu, iterambere ry'umuryango. Nibarangiza nanjye azaze tuganire turebe ibyo dufatanya nk'umuntu n'umuryango. Nanjye mbaye bashimiye mukomeze kugira ibihe byiza.
I saw my friend Chirumira. Mukubere ko Chirumira mungano. That's why I tell you that Letter K has got vision. There is also Kabonero. So those who say Museveni should go where? When my people are here. Chirumira and Ephraim are of presidential caliber. That's why when I retire, don't ask me about my successors. These people can take over. Thank you very much.
Tweyanze sente zibonyabonya oyo musajja afaanana Kagame bannange okusooka nange nadde ntidde wanje motoka namba UAJ 001V RAV4 UAJ 001V tusoma birango kumbakakaziba oyo president ow'ekiwaani manya kazanyirizi waffe omulungi ba president bambi ayagala kubuuza ku bagole bawe ekyo bawanno bawe kubaasa basuubize ebyommwe la president la Kagame bawavuye yabona gwatambula yamusebeni gwatambula yamusebeni yabamuvaako emabega w'amagye
omukyala amanyi okulonda bw'otunuulira ebyokwewunda bye okuva mu Misiri ate n'otunuulira ne keeki ye naye eragira ddala kino anti agamba nti yakoppa ya Kate ne William abalangira b'e Bungereza bw'atyo naye n'agamba nti jajja okukola ku reception ye. Keeki eno ya madala 46 era ng'eri mu langi zennyini ze baalonze egambibwa okuba nti yamazeewo obukadde 18.
Kumi, mwenda, munana, musanvu, mukaaga, tano, nya, satu, bibiri, emu, zero. I've find woman. What will I do? Okay. Say that you know, Chala, Monica, coming to Chala. First million, so say. Chala, give a brother on my way.
Monica gets ready for the first feed because the men is given to eat. Ephraim, first feed.
Monica, moja. Say something.
I love you forever.
I love you forever. Living. Hapo kunywa sikulanga. Love Gucci. Basuze n'onsonyi omunana n'ogerera ku screen abamawulire baaganye okukakkana wansi. Mulenzi alina laavu nekkeya amukutteko. Balinga mukiba waggulu n'ekirasi waggulu. Waggulu n'ekirasi.
And remember, medical advice. When you toast, you're supposed to look straight into the other person's eye. Or else you have bad dash for the end.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Kabula, Kinamuno, One, two, three, go. Yes! Comes!
Get that away.
Bye.